Honey, do you remember when we used to laugh and love? Say we last forever before the cruel heavens above.
Hey diverse beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a really busy day because I have a lot of things to do. I have so many errands. I gotta go grocery shopping, so I thought it would be perfect to kind of do like come along with me to complete my to-do list kind of video. So I hope you guys enjoy it. But I did type out everything that I'm gonna do last night on my phone. So first I gotta go to the mall and return some clothes because lately I've been trying to, like, you know, upgrade my wardrobe and just kind of figure out what clothes I want to wear for this summer. So that's definitely going to be another video for you guys to look forward to. So yeah, and then we're also going to be going grocery shopping. I need to stock up on a couple of ingredients, and I really want to make gorgonzola pizza as well as like some other dishes. So we're gonna go do that. And of course I gotta go to the bank. I need to go buy my dog his favorite treats. Also check out something at Walmart for my parents. And then I gotta clean my room, sweep and mop the floor because it's getting a little bit gross. Bathe my dog because he's getting a little stinky. I also gotta do my nails because they're looking really rough, and I did like the gel stickers before, but they kind of just, you know, they only last usually like a week or something. So I feel like this time I'm gonna actually just do like regular gel nails. And I have literally everything that I need to do gel nails, so that'll be really exciting. And then I need to organize and delete some stuff from my phone because I have way too many videos and photos, and it's a little overbearing. And then of course I want to plan out some things for my TikTok and for my YouTube, as well as just write some manifestation words because I haven't really done that in a while and I feel like I really need to. And then of course I want to try to work out. Not sure exactly what kind of workout, maybe like a dance workout. I really like the Fitness Marshall, or maybe even go outside and do some jump rope and stuff. I really hate working out. It's just not my thing. I've tried to get into the mentality where I'm like, yes, workout, I love it. It's gonna be me. I'm gonna be that girl every single day. But yeah, so not happening. But yeah, so I'm really excited to, you know, go throughout my list and complete everything. Yeah, so let's do that.
So at first when I saw you, didn't think you remember my name. I could never forget you. When I wake up, I still see your face. You said it was easy. You said you were down. How did you convince me to just stick around? Can we make it easier? Easier? Easier, easier. Can we make it easier? Easier, 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 easier. Still debating to call you. It's been months.
So just finished my makeup. It's very natural, like type of makeup, nothing too special. I'm gonna go ahead and fix my hair and then let's go because it's already late. We gotta go. So I just got my bag of my clothes that I need to take to the store. I'm so sad. I absolutely love this dress, but it's just like too small. And then the larger size is too big on me, so you know, it's just weird.
Alone for a while. Can we make it easier? easier, easier, easier. Can we make it easier, 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 easier? When your name lights up my phone, I still get used to the bone, but I'm not the one you.
Finally home and I'm sweaty and gross, but I thought I could share with you guys some of the stuff that I bought at the grocery. So first I picked up a couple of fruits. I got a mango. Let me take this paper off. I got a couple of fruits. I got some mango, some persimmon. I was really happy to see persimmon, although they were not in like the best condition. I also got like a pomegranate. I have not had a pomegranate, I think, in like over like 2 to 3 years. So I'm really excited to try that. Probably will do like one of those like natural cereal TikTok things. And then I actually picked up some cheese, gorgonzola cheese and feta cheese, because I'm going to be making gorgonzola pizza as well as a butter chicken wing. That will be for like another day, but I'm really excited. And then I picked up some butter. I really like this butter from Kerrygold, I think it's called. So yeah, pick those up. And then of course, like I said, garlic. And then my parents really like ice cream, so I got this for them, and a dark chocolate dairy-free truffle ice cream. Super excited to try it out. First I got some mama ramen noodles, and yeah, I'm really excited to try that. And of course my flaming hot Cheetos. I actually haven't had this in months now, just because I've been trying to like cut off like, you know, like spicy stuff, just because I noticed it's not that great for my health. And of course baguette, because who loves bread? Me. I love bread, even though I should probably not be eating bread. But my dog, I ended up picking up a couple things for him. So I got this keratin spray just because he really needs it, and some rawhide free chewables, which are good for him, just because I realized that rawhide bones are not that great for my dog. So yeah, not doing that. And then I also got him these really cute shoes. I have to check if they're gonna fit him or not, just because they look a little bit big, but we'll see. Oh, and I picked 2 tamarind juice for myself. Unfortunately, it's Goya, but you know, I couldn't find any other brand, so for another day. Yeah, I think that's all I bought for my dog. So I'm really excited. I need to take him a bath. I think he's feeling very hot from the weather today. Yeah, so let's do that. So I'm currently making some chorizo rice for my parents because they're really tired. I don't think I've ever had this in my life. I don't remember. So, yep. Hello. Hello. It was you. I just finished bathing my dog and I'm exhausted. Like, honestly, look at how much sweat I have on my face right now. But I'm just gonna eat some food and relax a bit, maybe watch something on Netflix or Disney Plus, I don't know, and enjoy my food. So okay guys, so it is now nighttime. I'm so tired. I just can't, like, I'm so tired. I made myself a matcha latte and I took a short nap just because, like, I could not. And I forgot to put syrup in it. Let me put that on later. So far, I did quite a bit. So I returned my clothes already. I did my groceries. I went to the bank. I bought my dog his treats. And I also went to Walmart. I did bathe my dog as well. Now I just have to organize and delete some stuff from my phone because I have way too many things on it. I have to do my nails, sweep and mop the floor, and plan some stuff for TikTok and YouTube. And unfortunately, I'm not gonna work out today just because I'm so tired. I feel like I already like worked out enough. Let me figure out what stuff I need to delete from my phone. I feel like these days I just have way too many like photos and footages and stuff that I don't really need. I have over 7,000 photos, which is so bad. And I have over 1,000 videos. So it's time for me to delete things for sure. I just finished deleting a ton of photos and videos from my phone. I still have a lot to go, but I'm just so tired of like looking at the screen of my phone. But I'm really proud of myself because I deleted over 1,571 items. So that includes videos and photos. So I'm pretty proud of myself, you know. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just do my nails. I saw this one photo on Pinterest that I thought was really cute, and it's supposed to be like kind of like a sage green with daisy flowers on top. So I really like that idea, so I'm gonna go ahead and probably try doing that. I'm just gonna do it on my natural nails just because like I said in my previous videos, I'm trying to just let my nails heal from like acrylics and like nail extensions. So yeah, I'm just gonna do it on my own nails. They're not perfect and they're not pretty, but it's better than nothing. And literally this huge box is everything that I have for my nails. It's freaking crazy. I definitely decided to like invest in my own nail polish stuff just because I wanted to like save money, especially from going to the nail salon all the time. So first, like, I have of course my acetone and my nail surface cleanser, so I'll be using that. And then I do have like other tools that I have for mainly like when you do like acrylics and stuff like that, like nail extension or like fake nails and stuff like that. So yeah, I have literally everything that I need. So I have my peach bond, which I usually use when I do like gel, and then I have my foundation, which is basically the base, and then I have my top base, and I have my Nourish one, and this is all from Gelish, which is very popular, I think, common brand for a lot of people to use. And then of course I have like the UV gel, but this is like usually I use this when I'm doing like fake nails. Brushes for when I want to do designs. I'm still very newbie when it comes to doing like designs and stuff, so I don't really trust myself to do like intense things. I'm still learning. It's still like a learning process.
And I appreciate it. Wish I didn't get like this. And I don't know why I overthink like I do. But it all seems to go away when I'm with you. I can get nervous when I got no reason to be.
Okay guys, so I finally finished my nails. They are definitely not like, you know, nail salon quality or anything, and they definitely do not look like Pinterest, but still I like them. It's almost 2 a.m. and I realized I did not complete my whole to-do list, but that's okay because I did the majority of it. So I basically did not sweep and mop my floor, which I'm gonna do anyways tomorrow morning. And then I also did not plan out some TikTok and YouTube stuff. I think maybe I'll do it right now just because I'm not really like ready to go to sleep.
Overthink like I do.
And I I didn't work out, which, you know, wasn't surprised about that. So I'm gonna cross this one out of my list. I hope you guys enjoyed this complete my to-do list type of video with me. If you guys enjoy these type of videos, let me know. I would be totally up to doing more videos like these, just because it really keeps me motivated and just doing things instead of just like watching YouTube all day, which I would. So yeah, just let me know if you guys are really into these type of videos, and if you prefer these more like vlog style, lifestyle content. I still will continue, of course, doing makeup and skincare, but I was kind of thinking of maybe just doing it into like vlog style. So if you want that, let me know. I noticed that whenever I do like separate videos that are specifically makeup or skincare related, they don't do as well compared to my vlogs. So yeah, just let me know what you guys like and prefer. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button so you guys are notified whenever I upload a video, and of course go ahead and follow me on my Instagram and TikTok, and I will see you next time. Love you, diverse beauties.
'Cause others wouldn't even try. Nobody ever took the time. I get way too in my head.